Welcome everyone. My name is Nim Goyel and I have started my new series on Python. In this series, we'll be talking about how the installation of the Python will be done on Windows and how exactly we can learn the Python. We will be starting with from basic to the advanced courses of the Python, and in near future, we will be having a introduction with the AI with Python. We will be creating the agents. We will be using the generative AI. We'll be talking about agentic AI. We'll be talking about generative AI. Okay, so on this first demo, in this first tutorial, we'll be talking about how simply we can start learning the Python. Okay, as you can see on my screen, there is a one file called fp.py. Just pasted any name on the file name, and .py is the extension of the file name. That is the Python. That is the Python extension for the Python for writing the Python. So you can need to write down. You need to create the first Python file, and then like I wanted to print this value. Hello, Nabet Goel. Welcome to the Python world. So for this, what I've done is I've just pasted this value into the one variable that is print code. The print code is automatically converted into the string in the Python. There is no need to define this explicitly as a string. Print code then equals to the value, and there is no need to pass the semicolon. Okay, now I want to print this value. So for printing this value, what I've done is I use the print function, which is already a predefined function in the Python, and I just pass this value. When I click on trigger, you will be seeing now the result is coming here. So this is how simply we can start with the Python. Now I'll just try to we can add more information on it. Like if I wanted to print this line multiple times, right? So what I need to do is just need to type print inside the code. We will pass on the print code. I'll just copy this print code and paste here. Just passing this. I'll paste here. Now because I wanted to print it multiple times, so and I wanted to make sure it will be printed every time in the next line. So what I'll be doing, I'll just putting this. Now there is a two way. Either I'll go this way. Like let me take this way first. So you can see that the Python is getting printed multiple times. But the thing is, we are just every time we need to pass on this way. And we need to pass on the print code and then the new line character and the print code again. So no, instead of doing this, we will go with a different approach. So that is for this one, we will do this. We will add another bracket over here, and then here we will be clip passing the asterisk and the count. We wanted to print like I wanted to print 5 times. Now when I click on this, you can see that the print is now the Python is getting printed 5 times. Okay.